Torres. You can call me Maleja. I'm from Colombia. I'm 22. I'm professional in international relations, and I'm the current MCVP of GCDP in Colombia. Some of you have heard about me. I was seated for OGX matching in Spring Peak last year, and with that experience, it was really amazing for me, for my self-development, and also because that makes me realize the huge potential that you guys have, the so relevant that you are, guys, as country, and the huge potential that you have as OGX, and because your market, because all opportunities and all your realities. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys, because I'm really excited to live this experience and to also to contribute to your growth and to create a legacy for you guys. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you for taking your time and reading my application. And if you have any other questions, please contact me, and I'll be really glad to support you and to give you all the information that you need.